Hey guys, today is try to fix contact poster not working on iOS 17. So if you want to go ahead and fix this issue that your contact poster is not necessarily working well, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys step by step just how to fix this. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so what we want to do is to go ahead and make sure that our devices is updated to iOS 17. So you may be wondering if you are not really using the iOS 17 softwares, which is why you are not experiencing this new feature of having the contact posters. You need to go ahead and tap on your settings application, tap on general, and then tap on software updates, and make sure that you have the latest version of the iOS 17 softwares. So if you do have an update available, go ahead and update your applications to the latest version so that you could fix all of these issues, and you're gonna have the best features possible. And one more thing that you should also do is to be aware if our device is compatible with iOS 17. So you can actually do a quick lookup if your current iPhone is compatible with iOS 17. They do know that the iPhone 8 and iPhone XS are not compatible with the iOS 17 software. So if you're using that type of device, well, you need to go ahead and also make an upgrade of your current device. Basically, the iPhone 11 is gonna be compatible with the iOS 17 softwares. So you could go ahead and do a quick upgrade to that as well. And one more thing that we should also do is to try and check and ensure your name and photo sharing is enabled. So how do you necessarily ensure your name and photo sharing is actually enabled? Well, all we need to basically do is to go ahead and tap on our phone locations and tap on my card right here next. What I want you guys to do is to go ahead and tap on your contact poster and make sure that your name and contact photo sharing is actually enabled. Should solve your issue. And then one more thing that we should also do is to actually have our caller ID also shown. I want you guys to tap on your settings, and I want you to tap on your phone applications or your phone settings right here, and then let's tap on our show my caller ID, and we need to choose both SIM cards and basically have your caller ID enabled and shown. So just wait for this to load. You need to have this enabled. And once that is done, basically, you could proceed. No, with having, of course, the contact poster shown. Now, the last thing we could also do, in order for us to fix this issue, is to actually create a new contact poster. So tap on your phone, applications again, and tap on your card. And I want you to tap on your contact poster right here. And let's tap on edit. I want you is to go ahead and proceed with deleting all of your current contact posters that you have on here. This might be conflicting as well, of course, with the contact poster, which is why you're experiencing some issues with it. So go ahead and delete all of the other contact posters that you have, and go ahead and create a new one with, of course, the same method that you did with creating your current. But that's all for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.